See, I put in the drill bit inside, okay? This is the kind of drill bit I put inside, okay? Now what I'm going to do is tighten up here, okay? Let's see how you tighten it up, okay? This is what the thing is. So you put it right here and then you just start using this one, okay? Just you put it in one of the grooves down here. This is the groove which it goes in, okay? So now you hold it tightly like this and then you start rotating, okay? This is the way it rotates. You rotate it so that it gets tightened up, okay? The tool bit doesn't move much, okay? Now once you go into certain position, then beyond that you cannot move a little bit. So now the tool bit is fixed, okay? Now this is the, don't tighten it too much. It's got to be soft and clean, and okay, that is enough for you. Okay, now we are going to switch on the machine, okay? See that it's not working or running or something like that, and now we power it on and check whether it is working. See, this is working, okay? Now in order to make it slide like this, press it light like this, okay? See, now I put in like this, okay? Okay. Now you can use the same thing for drilling, okay? Now I don't have a screw or something like that where you can do remove the screw or something like that, okay? For now we'll just see how it will works, okay? You have to use it extremely carefully and slowly, then only it will work. Okay, now if you have a screw here, then I put it like this, okay? And then slowly press it, see? This is how you remove the screw. Or if you want to tighten a screw, then put it on the opposite direction. Then use it slowly like this, okay? Don't put too much of this. Like that, slowly. Then you can remove a screw. Okay, I don't have a screw here. So this is a flat screw. So I want to show something like a real screw and other things, which we don't want to show you right now. Now we have fixed one of the tools and see how the things work. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, that is enough for today. See all the things. This is for sure. Sometimes you can sharpen it with this. I told you already, you can use it other kinds of things to sharpen. Like you can use sandpaper, different grading sandpapers and other things you can use, or you can use some ordinary sand or some kind of wall, surface like thing, and then you can use it for grinding the tool. Okay, the tool has to be grinded every time so that it is sharpened and kept clean. Okay, and this is for oiling if you want to loosen the thing. Sometimes if the metal is too hot, then I dip it in oil a little bit on the tip of the tool or something like that. Or you can, this is for, I told you already, if you want to do an extra tool bit connection, you can do all the things here. Okay. That is all for today. So now once you are done, you have to disconnect the thing. You switch it off, disconnect the thing. Okay. Now you remove the tool bits like this. Okay, you go there and then you remove the tool bits, tool and other things like this. Okay, then you can remove the tool bit. And once you have done that, you can remove the tool like this. Okay, and then keep it safe. And then you can put it on a safe pack like this inside all the things, and then you can put an assembly. Okay, for emergency, you can keep one of this pack like this, which you can use it for an extra power if you want a sticker or something like that to do a marking. And if you want to do a marking or something like that, you can use a pencil or something like that, and that is for marking. So marking, sticking and other things. Now we saw the assembly also, different parts I told you already. Explanation. So what are the different parts? Cuts, chuck wrench, drill chuck assembly, drive spindle, ball bearing, okay, circlip or shaft, gear, then friction bearing, O-ring, ball bearing, then amateur assembly, stator assembly, ball bearing, washer. Okay, washer is usually for holding something. Okay, in the without a move or something like that. Our right half motor housing. That is for the housing I told you. So where the right half motor comes in. Nameplate is for just what is the gate thing with the pan tapping. Wing bolt is the kind of thing which is used for the wings. Okay, the side wings and other things and other. Depth gauge holder. I told you depth gauge holder. How much you have to use the depth gauge to. This is the depth gauge holder I told you already. This side it is there. See, this is the depth gauge. You can just pull it like this or like this, and then keep the depth, how much depth you want, and then use it like that. That is called depth gauge assembly. And nar and hook. Hook is for usually for how much you want to go. Then carbon brush holder, then carbon brush, then card guard, then strain leaf, pan head, then card, trigger switch. The trigger switch is the one I told you already, right or left or up or down and things like that. Capacitors is mostly used for changing the switching voltage in the magnetic kind of polarity. If you want half motor housing, the other half check screw. Okay, rubber pin and rubber pin. Okay, the rubber pins are mostly used for holding things very soft like wires and other things you want to hold. You can use it. That's all for today.